Let's now see the statistics and the effectiveness of our email campaigns. To view that, you simply go to the email campaigns section, you click on email campaigns, you click on view past emailers, and now you see all the campaigns that were run between these two dates and all the statistics for those particular campaigns. So you can see how many emails were sent for a campaign, how many were delivered, how many candidates opened the emails, unsubscribed, replied to the emails, and even submitted their resumes. So you can see all these statistics for your email campaigns. And not just that, now you can even view aggregate statistics. So you can view all the stats for email campaigns executed on a particular day or by subject or by week, month, year, or even name of the campaign. So if I select by subject, it shows me how effective this subject was. So it shows me how many emails were sent by this subject, how many were opened, how many were unsubscribed, and how many resumes were received, and so on. So I can even test the effectiveness of campaigns by all these criteria. So that is the statistics feature for email campaigns.